Namaste everyone, I am Ritu Kaushal from India, and here you can see on the screen what is I going to talk about today. What is the subject of today's chit chat? So, these are beautiful Mandarin ducks, and these ducks have beautiful energy of love. If you are single, you want to marry. If you are searching love, and if you are not happy in your marriage. In all situations, these ducks are very helpful. So, where I should put them or how to use them? Very simple. You can find your core number and then put them in direction of your love direction. You can find it by any numerologist. If you cannot, so it is very simple. Please put them in southwest direction or in north directions. North direction is generally taken as the direction of manifestation. So whatever you want to manifest quickly, put there. And actually this direction is very suitable for me, so I always use my crystals, angels, everything in this beautiful direction. So just buy two beautiful Mandarin ducks of rose quartz and put them in your particular direction for best manifestation in love life. Love marriage or love marriage, arranged marriage, it will attract love vibes and it will manifest quickly. So I think this is beautiful way to manifest. Next I am talking about the clear quartz. Clear quartz has wonderful energy, and this too is a crystal of universe. So universal crystals are wonderful to manifest anything because clear quartz clear the negative energy from the atmosphere. It cleans totally the negative energy and recharge them with positivity and love. So it is wonderful for any kind of manifestation, and it is my nature to use them whatever I do. It is a part of my crystals. It is a beautiful part of my crystal grids, money box, wish box, Reiki wish box, everything. One crystal of clear quartz is very important for me. One piece of clear quartz is very important for me. Another one is pyrite. As you can see on the screen, this is pyrite, but remember this pyrite is raw pyrite and Peru pyrite. Peru pyrite has a golden ray, and normal pyrites have silvery ray. So these kind of crystals are very good in attraction of money. If you put them in best direction, so it will attract manifestations in all your financial wishes. It keeps you grounded. If this is in square shape, so it keeps you strongly grounded, healthy and happy in your life. This is another my favorite crystal. This is and I really appreciate them in manifestation work. So for today, this is my simple tip in crystals. Another crystal is in my favorite list, aventurine. You can buy this from Amazon or any seller. Aventurine works in financial area. After that, after some time, I will post some more videos about crystals, and please send me questions, because if someone send me the questions, so I found a reason to make a video. So as someone asked about the crystals, so here is a video about universal crystals. And if you will post something about love crystals or something, so I will post about that. So this is very important if you trigger me for the topic. Thank you very much, and you can write me email on kaushalreiki@gmail.com. Please keep in touch always. Ritu Kaushal. Bye.